Perplexity, the AI tool your buyers are already using to research you. Before your next senior client meeting, someone in that room has already researched you.
Not on Google, not on LinkedIn, on Perplexity.
They've typed in your company name, your competitors, your recent news, and the challenge they're trying to solve, and received a concise, cited, multi source intelligence briefing in under 60 seconds. They walked into that meeting already knowing things about your business you may not have prepared for. And the question is, do you know what they found? Perplexity is not a chatbot. It is an AI powered answer engine, and that distinction matters. Where ChatGPT generates responses based on training data, Perplexity searches the live web in real time, synthesizes information from multiple sources simultaneously, and delivers cited, verifiable answers. It's what Google search would look like if it actually answered your question instead of giving you 10 links to click through. And it is growing at extraordinary speed. Perplexity now has over 45 million active users, a $20 billion valuation, and more than 20,000 enterprise organizations on its platform. In January 2026, it committed $750 million to Microsoft Azure infrastructure, signaling it is building for serious enterprise scale. Law firms are using it, consulting teams are using it, procurement departments are using it, and your buyers, the CXOs, technology directors, and procurement leaders you are trying to reach, are using it to research vendors before every significant meeting. This is the part of this episode that I want every commercial leader to sit with. When a senior buyer types your company name into Perplexity before a meeting, here is what they get back in under a minute: your recent news and announcements, client reviews and reputation signals, analyst commentary on your sector and positioning, any negative press, delivery concerns, or public complaints, how you compare to your top competitors on the dimensions they care about most. This is not a future scenario. This is happening now, in the 60 minutes before your sales team walks through the door. What that means practically is that your digital presence, what exists publicly about your organization, is now a first impression you cannot control in the room. The narrative is being formed before the conversation starts. The organizations winning in this environment are the ones actively shaping what Perplexity finds. Strong thought leadership content, genuine client case studies with specific outcomes, consistent executive voices sharing real insight publicly, proactive management of review platforms, a clear, differentiated positioning that shows up in third-party commentary, not just on your own website. In the Series 1 episode on buyer behavior, I talked about how 70% of the buying journey happens before a salesperson gets involved. Perplexity is the tool that is accelerating that shift dramatically and making the quality of your public presence more commercially important than it has ever been. Let me close with the enterprise picture, because Perplexity is not just a research tool for buyers. It is now a serious enterprise platform in its own right. Its computer agent, launched in March 2026, can execute complex multi-step workflows autonomously. It integrates with Slack, Salesforce, SharePoint, HubSpot, and Snowflake. It includes purpose-built workflow templates for legal contract review, finance audit support, sales call preparation, and customer support triage. Its Model Console feature runs your query simultaneously across multiple frontier AI models, including GPT-5 and Claude, and synthesizes the responses. For enterprise organizations evaluating AI platforms, Perplexity deserves serious consideration, particularly for research-intensive functions, procurement intelligence, and any team where the quality and verifiability of information is critical. But the message I want to leave every sales and commercial leader with is this: your buyers are already using it. The question is not whether Perplexity is relevant to your sales strategy. The question is whether your organization shows up well when it is used to research you. Go and type your own company name into Perplexity right now. See what your buyers see, and then ask yourself, Is that the first impression you want? What did you find when you search your own organization? Drop it in the comments. I'll guarantee it generates a conversation. See you next week.